In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change Waypoint skin in Path of Exile 2. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Just like plenty of other aspects about POE2 and gear, Waypoints also have cosmetics. So in order to change a Waypoint's skin or cosmetic, you will have to acquire it first. The main way of acquiring these cosmetics is going to be through the shop. So if you visit the shop on the website or by pressing K while you are inside of the game, so press K on your keyboard while you are playing, you will see the shop. Inside of the shop, you can browse through various different categories, including hideout, and in here you can look for Waypoint skins. So some examples here are Tinker's Waypoint, Synthesis Waypoint, Decoration, and then Demonic Waypoint. This is going to replace the waypoint that you have on your hideout with a customized one. So in game, you can go over to the hideouts tab and look for these customizations. And other ways to acquire these will include special supporter packs. So for example, if you purchase the Shade supporter pack, it will include a bunch of things and also a Waypoint hideout decoration. So in order to use these, you go to your hideout, and whenever you go into the customization options to change or edit your hideout, you will be able to select your custom skin or cosmetic for the Waypoint. It is simple to do, and it is going to be the same process regardless of which one you choose. This one, Tinker's Waypoint, includes 6 variations and it is currently on sale. So you can visit the website to preview them, watch a video, how it looks, and you can place it in your personal hideout. You will be able to reclaim it at any point and use it for free as long as you purchase it once. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us from the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.